Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. We are on the top of Litlihrutur mountain, observing volcanic eruption from the summit of this mountain. Soon it's 11 o'clock in the night, and there you see sun is setting down, and beyond the smoke and fog to the west. Very spectacular experience to be here on the summit of Litlihrutur. It's by far my favorite spot to observe volcanic eruption and be here. So let's zoom into the volcano and see what is happening. Thirteen times zoom into the crater lake. You see it's overspilling with lava to the brim very much. And this small crater to the front, there was a small cone. I don't see an activity at it. Maybe it got flooded by lava. But it's 11 o'clock in the evening. See how beautiful it is when lava shoots over the walls. And we have less bubbles now, less fountains than before, but a lot of lava. It's like breathing lava pool, literally breathing. So lava is incoming and it's spilling over through tunnels. There you see a cave, and lava river is running into that cave, like downhill, straight into the tunnel, like a road tunnel. Like there is a Hvalfjordur road tunnel in Iceland, under the fjord, under the ocean. Cars drive in. Same here, like lava runs into the tunnel and disappears somewhere. And then it's spilling over at various locations. You can see it.
Tutaj ludzie chillują bomba. It's live?
And there you see spillover right now. The lava is going over new terrain. And you see, and also here. So it enters into the tunnel here, into this underground tunnel at great speed, a lot of lava, and then it exits here. And here. Very strange. So So there is no hot lava further south. Like I don't see anything. Like nothing. This volcano looks less bubbles than last time. Much less.